Good day, guys. You're welcome back to OMG Tech. So, this time around, we'll be taking a long ride together. We're going to be doing a Python series. We'll be going from beginners to intermediate to advanced. So, I want you to prepare your mind. Please subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop a video, because basically we're dropping videos almost every day or intervals of 2 days. So this course is actually for everybody, for beginners, intermediate programmers. If this is the first time you are going into programming, you are welcome. This course is for you. So the reason why I decided to start with Python is because Python is a general purpose programming language that is basically used for almost everything, and is one of the languages that is requested in the companies and firms out there. So Python can be used for varieties of things. Python can be used for making games. Python can be used for creating websites. Python can be used for cyber security, ethical hacking. Python can be used for artificial intelligence, machine learning. Python can be used for simulating data. So Python has a very wide range of use. So the reason why I'm doing Python is so that you as a beginner, you can decide which of the aspect you would like to specialize in, the aspect you like to focus on. So the tools we'll be using, let me just walk you down to the tools I'll be using for this course. First of all, you need Visual Studio Code. You must, I think you know already, you already know about VS Code, but if you don't, just go to code.visualstudio.com. Because I'm using Mac, say download for Mac, but if you are using Windows, you see you can download for Windows. Just download it and install it to your PC. It's not hard. Then the other thing we'll be needing is Python. Just go to python.org. Got the website here. Python.org download. So download Python, download the stable version. This is an updated version, Python 11.5. So download and install it on your PC. Then come and join us. So like I told you, it's a beginner tutorial. So we'll be going from beginner to intermediate to advanced. So first of all, you want to do something, it's very important to know the definition or what is about. What is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language that is often applied in scripting tools. Okay, I think I did a PDF for this. I'm coming. Let's check this. I think I have some definition here. Okay, I'm not focusing on this. Okay, what is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language that is often applied in scripting roles. So Python is a programming language as well as a scripting language. So you might want to know the difference between a scripting language and a programming language. Don't worry, we'll get there. Python is also called an interpreted language. So what is the difference between a program and a scripting language? From the definition I have here, a program in general is a sequence of instructions used so that a computer can perform certain tasks. A program is executed, that is, the source is first compiled and the result of that compilation is expected. So a program is just like an instruction given to the computer to do something. So just for you to run the program and it to be executed. Then a script is a code written in scripting language. You have different scripting language. And Python happens to be one of the scripting language. You have Arrow as a scripting language. You have JavaScript. You have Java, and so on. So a scripting language is nothing but a type of programming language in which you can write code to control another software. This is one reason why Python is used for cyber security. You can write a code that will control another system. So that's it. So today basically we will be focusing on some basics in Python. It's a beginner class. So I want us to understand what is printing, what is commenting, what is debugging, string manipulation, variable. So one important thing is that at the end of each of our course we have a project to do, a small project. So this course, I think I did something I want us to do. Okay, yes, this is it. Okay, let me walk you through. This is my Visual Studio Code. So this is the terminal. This is my working environment. This is okay. Everywhere here is my working environment. So this is where my file is. This is where my folders and my files. So I'm using this Python series, the one. I have two files, main.py and project.py. So how do you know a Python file? That's a very important question. Python file are usually known with the .py extension. So if you want to create any Python this thing, make sure you add .py. So let's say we want to create a new file now. So let's call this file test.py. You see the Python logo. Look at it. This is how you know the .py. We have different type of file. Let's create a JavaScript file. Although that's not what we're doing, but I want to just show you something. Let's call it omg.js. You see the JS symbol. We also have the dat file .dat. This for Flutter. We also have .tss. This is for TypeScript. We also have .jsx. This is for React. So and so on and so forth. So for you to know a Python file is with the py extension in .py. I hope I'm communicating. So let's remove this test.py because I'm not using it for now. My main focus here is okay. I wanted to show you the projects that we're going to be doing. So for you to run your Python file, I told you to download Python. The way you do it in your terminal, you just Python. This is my file, this is the script I want to run. So Python project.py. So I design a company name generator. Most times some of us want to create company, we find it difficult to get a name. And so this is just like a script that will help you to get the name. So let me run it. Say welcome to the company name generator. What is your nickname? Okay, so it's asking me some questions. Let me answer it. My nickname is OMG. So what do you find interest in most? Me, I'm a lover of tech, so I find interest in tech. So let's say tech. So your company generated name is OMG Tech. Wow. Okay, that's nice. Let's try something else. Let me clear my console. You clear it with clear. Okay, let's run it again. Python what project.py. You get it there. So welcome to the company name generator. What is your nickname? What is my nickname? Let's say my nickname is J. What do you find interesting? Another thing I love is music. So let's say music. Your company generated name is J Music. Wow, that's nice. Let me do one more. Python project.py. Okay, what is your nickname? Let me say my nickname is Sly. What do you find interesting most? Let's say in crypto. Let's say crypto exchange. So my company name is Like Crypto Exchange. Wow. So at the end of this class, we should be able to develop something like this. So make sure you pay more attention because I'll be teaching you different. I will not tell you, but I'll be teaching you different things you can use to develop this. Maybe at the end of it, I might not even to show you how to do it. You go and do it yourself, and I'll be expecting to see comment from you in the comment section how successful it was. Maybe you can send a picture of your code to the comment section so that we'll see. Okay, so I said the first thing we are going to be doing is the print statement, the print function. So the print function is an inbuilt function that is used to output whatever we give to the computer. So let's say if we want to output something, there's an inbuilt function for Python which is called print. Take note of this print very well, because you are going to be using this print very well, like you use it almost throughout. So the print function is an inbuilt Python function that is used to tell the computer what to do. So you tell the computer what to do. Maybe I want the computer to do 2 plus 4 for me. I want the computer to do anything. So let's try something. So how do we form this print function? The print function is being written with the print statement. You know how to spell print now, print, followed by parentheses. So just something like this. Let's come here. Print. Let's say I want to print 2. I want to print 2. Let me just print 2 first. Or no, don't worry, we'll do that next time. That's just a little bit too much for us. So you see, I'm writing this print in my main.py. Who can tell me how am I going to call this script? Who can tell me? I'm waiting for you. Oh, I'm sure you get it there. Okay, it's very simple. Just say Python main.py. So it was able to print out 2 for me. Let's say I want to print 2 plus 3. Let's run it again. 2 plus 3 is what? 5. You see, it ran 2, it ran 5. Do you know why it's coming like this? Python uses a DSA, data structure algorithm, of up to down. The Python algorithm is running from up to down. There are some other algorithms, they come from some is coming from up, some is coming from down. I think we'll get to that some other time. So let's just focus on this. So what we just succeeded in printing out is what we call an integer. I don't want to go into data types now, we'll get there later, but there's what we call data types. So another thing we want to print is the string. What is a string? What is a string? That's another. We'll explain it more when we get to data type, but it's important for us to do print. String is a string of characters. Once you say string, you know what the string is now? Just like collection of characters, and these characters are usually collected and enclosed in the double quotes. So the quotation shows the beginning and the end of the string of characters. So let's try and print a particular character. So let's say print my name is OMG. So you know, normally we use print with the parentheses. If I just say my name is OMG, let's watch. Let's run it and see. There's an error, syntax error, invalid syntax. Because normally this print is supposed to output something, but my computer is not understanding what I want to output. But let me put quotation and let's see. You see, my name is OMG. You see, that's very nice. Let me do some other print. Sorry, don't forget to always put your double quote or single quote. Print Evans, print Ayo, print Femi. So let's see. We just also say Python words main.py. So 2.5, my name is OMG, Lashe, Advanced, Ayo, Femi. So you see, I told you Python uses the algorithm up to down. So there's one thing in Python we call commenting. What is commenting? Maybe there's a particular line of code you don't want to use again. Like you see now, I wanted to just print this, but because this is already here, I cannot just be deleting and deleting. It's what we call commenting in Python. What commenting simply means is that you don't want that line of code to show again, so you just comment it, you just like omit it out. So this is simply done in Python with the use of the hashtag. I've committed this thing. Now let me try and run my code. You see, this tool is not printing again because I've committed it. Let me try and commit this tool, comment this. Let me just leave only this name. Let me run it. Wow, you can see I've succeeded in committing this. So committing is used in many ways. Maybe for you don't want to use a particular line of code again. Maybe you are doing some testing, maybe you have errors, you want to see where your error is coming from, you just commit it. Or mostly programmers use it for reference, like maybe mostly this programming work of a team is a team job. Maybe you are doing a particular job, you want to pass it to your team for easy understanding. So let's say I'm trying to tell my team member now that this thing I'm printing is names of my students. Names of my students. So when I pass it out, you will know that this thing is not part of my code. It's name of my student. So when I run my code, you see the name is just say Lashe, Evans, Ayo, Femi, and so on and so forth. Another thing we need to know in programming or in Python is what we call string manipulation. How do we manipulate string? Imagine I want to print these names. I have to print them in using 4 different lines. There's a way I can manipulate this thing. I will write this print statement in using just one line of code. Okay? This is done in Python with the use of the backslash and n. That n simply means what? New line. So backslash new line. What will I just do? I'll just come here, backslash n, and I'll write Evans. Let's see how it works. Let's say backslash n again. I'll write Ayo. Backslash n again. I'll write Femi. So let me comment all these out and let's see what will happen. Let me clear my console so that I see it very well. Okay. So let's see Python main.py. So you can see Lashe, Evans, Ayo. Just with one line of code, I was able to manipulate my string to print these things in different lines. So this is what backslash #. I can just delete them because I don't even need them. So let me try and run it again. So you can see it very well. So let me clear my console. So this is string manipulation. Another thing we have to understand here is we have different inbuilt function by Python. So I'll just talk about few. So another one I want to talk about is the input function. What does the input function do? The input function is used to collect data from a user and prompt the data. You collect a prompt. Maybe this is just how it is. It comprises of the use of the let me comment this. The use of the input statement with parentheses. That's a way of writing function. Then the next thing that will be here is my prompt. What does my prompt mean? Prompt is simply what I want to ask, what I want to collect from the computer. So let's say I want to prompt what is your name. Okay, so let me see. Python main.py. You see, it's asking me what is your name. My name is Omadua. Wow, it collected my name, but I don't know what happened, where it collected the name. Another thing, you can see that it was very close. Let me try and give space. Just put space here. Then let's run it again. What is your name? My name is what? OMG. Okay, so this is basically the input function. The input function is used to prompt data from the user, used to collect data from the user. You can still ask input What is your favorite color? What is your name? My name is what? OMG. He's asking me what is your favorite color? Blue. You can't tell me why these things together because I not put space here. So we are going to be using this later. So just take note. So I said things we'll be covering today is printing, string manipulation, which other thing, commenting. There's something I was supposed to talk about. Debugging. I don't know, debugging and variable. Okay, let me do variable first. Then I'll do debugging last. What is a variable? Because all programming language will come across this step, a variable. What is a variable? A variable is anything that stores data. A variable is used to store data. Very simple. A variable is used to store users' data, and this is usually accompanied with what? The variable name, an assignment operator, and the data you want to store. Let me comment this. You see the importance of commenting. Let's say I want to store my name, my age, my phone number. So name, I said what a variable is, what this was storing data, and it consists of the variable name. This is the variable name, that's what called name. Assignment operator. In programming, equal to is referred to as the assignment operator. So my name is what? Omajua. Color. Am I using British or American spelling? Okay, what's my favorite color? My favorite color is white. Then age. How old am I? How old am I, sir? I've forgotten my age. Oh, it's not a string, it's an integer. I am 21 years old. Wow, that's nice. Sorry. 23. Okay, another question is this is okay. So I was able to store this data in a particular variable. Do you know the importance of this variable? Let's say I want to print something. I will not print name again. I will just say print what? Print, after the print of parentheses, then what you want to print. I'll just say print name. Like I print name, let's see what we show. Let's assume I'm printing age. What's going to show? Let me collect this. Print age. What are we going to call this now? Let's call it python.spy. Wow. You can see. Let me change this print to. Oh, sorry. Let me change it to color. White. Wow. You see what variable does is just that it helps you to store data, so that anytime you call on that your variable, you'll be able to retrieve data. There's something I did not mention, concatenation. You can add two or more strings together with the use of the plus sign. So let's concatenate something. Let's say I want to print my name and my color. So I'll just say print name plus color. Let's see what will happen. Omajua white. Ha. Why is there no space? Okay, let's say I put a space here. Programming is very simple, just manipulation of data to fit your need. Omajua white. Wow, that's nice. Okay, I want to do something. Let's say I'm trying to print with string, including what I'm doing. How am I going to do it? let's say I want to say my name is Dutch. Let's say my name is, I want to call this name. Since I've already stored the variable outside, I cannot call it here. I'm going to add it with my concatenation symbol, then use column, then I call it what? My name is sorry, my name is Omajua. Sorry, my name is name. Should I give that space? My name is name. I am age years old. Wow. Is this going to work? What did I just do here? I just said my name is Omajua. Here's my concatenation symbol here. I am dash years old. Let's see. Wow. I have an issue. Okay, my plus sign. Oh. I think I will explain this better, Sha. I will explain it better in our next class. It's kind of complex here. I have to convert, because you cannot print integer and string. I have to convert that to string. So you say my name is Omajo. Okay, let me create space here. I am 23 years old. Okay, let's go with what we call let me clear it and see. Python main.py. Okay, my name is Omajua. I am 23 years old. This might sound a little bit confusing for you, and that's because there are some terms I've not done here. I don't want it to be too complex, so don't worry, just forget about this. I'll do it more in our next class. Okay, let me do something simple. Let me see. What am I going to concatenate? I want to concatenate two strings with the plus sign. How do I do that? I'll just say print. This is how you concatenate string. Say my name is. Just use the plus sign followed by your quotation, your plus again, then your string. So let me run it. My name is Omajua. The space is too much. I'm not supposed to give space here. Let's go. Python name. My name is Omajua. Okay, this is just how you concatenate. You concatenate to the plus sign in Python. Then you must, because we are concatenating a string, that's why we are using a quotation. So if there is anything that is confusing here, just drop a message on the comment section. Just drop your question in the comment section, and I will do well to answer that. So the last thing I want to talk about is debugging. I don't know if you observe, when I ran the first code, there was an error. It was not working. I have to check. It was with the error message. I know what was wrong, and I fixed it immediately. So all programmers run into one error or the others. So what makes you a good programmer is your ability to know your error and your ability to solve your error instantly. That's what makes you a good programmer. So I want to comment this. Let me use, I don't want to use all this, I want to use print. Let's say print Omajua. Okay, we're printing Omajua. So let me run it. Sorry, Python what main.py. Okay, Omajua. So let me do something deliberately. Let me remove this quotation, then let me run this code. You see, this is the error. So I told you what makes you a good programmer is the ability to know your error, read your error, and be able to fix it. Now I'm having a syntax error, and it's telling me EOL while scanning writing literal. You can see there's an arrow here pointing to me where the issue is. So look at the issue here. So most times now I based on the fact that I've been programming, I'm used to error like this. I already know the issue and I know how to fix it. But you that just starting, or you that just want to start, just copy this code. Life is easy now. Just go to Google, paste your error there. People already encounter similar error. You say EOL while scanning string literal occurred. So you see we have different ones. This is decoding web.dev. But the one I love most is Stack Overflow. I love using Stack Overflow. So just click on it. You see somebody already have the error. Wow, 13 years ago. Yeah. Okay. You say you are putting a dash before the ending of the line. Okay, what was the error this guy was having? Okay, he was putting a dash, a quotation before the end of the line. Use this if you want to do this. So I already know that my error is related to quotation. That's the meaning of this EOL. I think there was a place somebody explained it. I think it was not in this one. Let me see if I have another Stack Overflow link. Oh, I don't have any. Let me see this. What this one is telling me here. How to fix it. EOL while scanning literal. Okay, the meaning of this error basically is end of line. So as a programmer, I need to do a lot of study and research. So I didn't know that my issue was as a result of me not putting quotation here. You know, from that other Stack Overflow issue I saw there. So I just put it. Then let me run it. I see. It's not okay. Let me do another one. Remove this. Well, let me run it. Syntax error. Unexpected EOF while passing. What's the meaning of EOF? End of function. So copy this. Take it again to your Google. Paste it there. You see. Stand for end of file. Oh, I said end of function. Sorry. So my end of file is missing something. Let me look for a Stack Overflow link 6 years ago. The thing is that some people have different issues, but it might be somehow related to your own. So you just have to exercise patience, then go through the person's error, read through it. Like I've been into this for quite a long time now. So most time when I run into error, I already know. Look at it. This one, print hello. Why I forgot training parentheses, oh I forgot to pass. So this one is having similar thing. He forgot to put the closing parentheses. So just for you to correct it. So just for me to come here, put my closing parentheses. Then let me run it again. So you see, let me clear this. Yeah. So basically, anytime you encounter error, just copy the error code, paste it on Google, check for Stack Overflow, check for all of them. As a programmer, you must be ready to study it, go through it. What's the cause of the problem, what's going on, why is my code not working. Sometimes you'll be debugging a case for like a day or two. I think that sometimes I debug some issue for 3 days. I'll just be thinking about them. Yeah, don't worry, you see it for yourself. You're welcome to the lifestyle. So I'm supposed to do the final project for you. But no, I want you guys to do it on your own. Then maybe you can drop a comment if you have gotten it. So with all what I've talked about, you should be able to do that thing. I talked about printing, I talked about the input, debugging, commenting, concatenation, string manipulation. It should be, well, let me go through it again. Let's see. It's in my project, so let me run it. Python project.py. Say welcome to the company name generator. You should know how to get this. What is your nickname? And it's in a new line. So my nickname is what? OMG. What do you find interesting most? Tech. Your company generated name is OMG Tech. So I'm expecting to hear back from you, and hopefully tomorrow or next I'll be dropping part 2. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share with your friends. One thing, programming is something that is very interesting when you learn in group. You ask yourself questions, stuff like that, and with time you get used to it and you start earning from it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience. Don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube as OMG Tech. Thank you and God bless you. See you in our next class.